What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. As y'all can see, I'm under a canopy or a tent because we gonna be painting the engine bay today. Yes, sir. But y'all might see something a little different about me, man. I cut my hair off. It's all good though. Summertime's around the corner and I want to stay cool, you know, with that long hair. Too much sweating, brother. But I got everything all taped up off camera like always. I got this little tent canopy set up that I have right here. I talked to my next door neighbor already and he's cool with it. He's currently out right now and he's gonna be gone for a few hours, so we gotta knock this out quick. But I already primered the whole entire engine bay. I'm not gonna cover this because we're only gonna paint it black anyways, so overspray doesn't really matter. But everything is all taped up. The back of the car is taped up, the fenders, everything else pretty much. So we are ready to shoot. It is kind of windy, but YOLO, we're gonna send it, man. We're gonna send this. I need to paint this ASAP because it's currently sunny as hell in Seattle and I don't know when it'll be raining again. So we gotta do it quick. Alright, so I got my paint in here already. I'm currently using the Craft gun. I haven't shot with this gun in a while, or I haven't shot anything with it in a while, but this one works pretty great. I have a 60-gallon compressor, or I think 80, and this will do the job. So I'm gonna put you guys down because I want to shoot this fast. Bro, I am kind of dumb. I put the camera down and I did not hit record. Shake my head, man. But we did the first coat, so y'all can see. Yes, it looks pretty clean. We're gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes to let it dry up a little bit, and then hit it with medium heavy on the second coat. And the third coat, we're gonna go and lay that paint down pretty heavy. And then the last coat, we're gonna do an oriental coat, which I'm just gonna be dusting it pretty much, so there's no what is that called, tiger stripes or any dark spots. So I'm gonna let it dry up real quick and then we're gonna hit it again with second coat. Alright, that was the second coat. Now it looks way better. Let's go this way. Check it out. Sheesh. Hey, once I lay the clear coat, man, this thing is gonna look insane. Heck yeah. Sheesh. So we wait another 5 to 10 minutes. and we're gonna hit it again. I'm gonna mix more paint real quick. I just ran out, but yeah, I'm excited. That was the third and last coat. Now we have a little bit left of paint, and we're gonna do the oriental coat in about 5 minutes, so we don't get no tiger stripes. Yeah, check it out. Laid down pretty smooth. I didn't really paint that much on the bottom part because you will not see it. I'm only painting the visible parts, so it is what it is. But this is the main thing right here, man. Here, let me get my light real quick. Put this down. Check it out. Sheesh. Dang. I'm pumped up right now. Ooh. Bodywork came out pretty cool, man. I ain't gonna lie. There's some spots where, like the high spots you can see on top, you see it? I don't really care about it because I'm gonna have something that covers it anyways. As long as nothing is showing on here, I'm good. Yeah, that plate looks clean, huh? So give it about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna go over it again with the oriental coat. We are done with the base coat, baby. Yes, sir. But check this thing out, man. This is about, I would say, 3.5 coat of base. You see me, I just dusted the last coat, and the paint looks very smooth. Sheesh, I am pumped, dude. So it's gonna be another 5 minutes, so another waiting process, and after that we're gonna hit it with the first coat of clear coat, baby. Yes, sir. This is gonna shine, bro, and I am super pumped. I am using fast activator because it's not that hot here in Seattle. It's probably like 60 degrees or maybe 50, high 50s, I don't know. But I was gonna use like medium, but I don't want to risk it having any runs. I'm not no professional painter. I'm a do it your own guy, like always, like my slogan, you feel me? So I'm gonna use fast, and after that we're gonna wait like 20 minutes, 15 maybe, I don't know. But I'm gonna get this done today. Yo, check this thing out, man. I got my flashlight. That thing is glossy. Sheesh. Oh man, I am super pumped. See the green? You see the green? Yeah. Oh, there's some leaves on there already. That is the downside about painting outside, especially like a open spot. You're gonna have some stuff on there, man. 100% sure there's gonna be a small bug in here somewhere, but I'm gonna try my best to take them off. If anything, we can just wet sand this, you know, sand and buff. But as of right now, this thing looking clean, bruh. Yes, sir. I'll do one more coat of clear and then we're done, pretty much. Just gonna let it dry for the next 2 days or so. It's gonna be sunny until Monday, so that'll be good enough. Today, right now, is Saturday, so 2 days. Oh no, it's gonna be sunny on Monday. Tuesday is gonna be raining, so that'll be enough time for me to put my hood back on so the paint doesn't get ruined. So it's been about 20-30 minutes now, and I took off all the tape around it, all the plastic pieces. Just check this thing out, man. You see the sun hitting it? Ooh! I am super pumped. It looks black, but like I said, when the sun hits it, that thing is shiny green, baby. I'm just super stoked, man. I'm just pumped right now because it looks amazing. You know, after we did all the welding, sanding, and doing all body work, this thing came out pretty clean. So, pat in the back, man. I am beyond happy with the results right now. Now I'm just imagining the motor being back in here. It's gonna be fresh. But the next thing to do is paint the chassis. I'm currently looking online right now to see what's the best paint to use. Mostly just for the longevity, and I still want it to look clean though, you feel me? But I'm gonna do my little research, and once I do make up my mind, we're gonna paint this thing. For the inner fender well, I have it out. We're gonna paint that green, but I'll do that another day because I think I ran out of clear coat. Hi, mama. My little daughter with her princess dress. But I think that's it for today though. We did a lot, man, and I am tired. I've been at...
I have carrots.
Okay. Say hi. Don't touch that, baby. It's dirty. It's dirty, okay? Stay there. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you guys want to stick around and see more of this current project and the future projects, hit that subscribe button. But on that note, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
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 Ha.